What's going on, everyone? This is Desmond with Operation Work From Home, where I make videos showing everyday people how they can make money with their cell phones, or as long as they got an internet connection. And in today's video, we will be discussing how to use the Cash App. Now, if you're not familiar with the Cash App, it is a free app that you can download. It's pretty simple to use, but before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below to keep up to date with the latest videos that we put out. Now, again, if you never use this video, I'm just going to do a quick navigation on how to use it on here. Think of Cash App. It's kind of like PayPal on steroids, I guess you can kind of say. It's an easy way to send and receive money instantly. You can sell something to a friend or anybody else, and you can request it to the Cash App, and then you can receive money instantly. Now, once you get money sent to you, it will show up in the available column. And what you're going to need to do first is, after you download it, you will need to link a bank account or debit card to this app. And then after you do that, once you receive any funds, you can go ahead and cash out, and then they will charge you a small fee to receive it. You know, it's not that much, maybe like under, just a couple cents, really, probably under $1. Just all depends on the amount, but it's not really that bad. But anyway, as soon as you cash out, then it will go into your bank account instantly. I'm just going to kind of navigate. So you will get a username. That's what you would share with people that's looking to send you money on Cash App, or if you're requesting money, this would be the username. After you do that, and remember to keep at the bottom, you want to add in your account, and then after you do that, you can click on the $sign. That's kind of how you send whatever, request or pay, whatever amount you would like. And then you can also buy stocks in here. I thought that was pretty neat. You can buy stocks and Bitcoin. I've never personally used the stocks, but it looks like you can get started investing for under $1. And then it has Bitcoin. I personally use that to purchase Bitcoin. So it's pretty simple to do. Again, if you haven't used this, it's real simple to use. And by joining through the link down below, you will get $5 just for downloading the app and setting it up. So again, if you never use this, it is a cool free app to use to receive and to even invest. So I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Real simple to do. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. All right. You have a good night.